This Odoo training video is prepared by Unicom ERP Division of Repeater Technology and Communications Company, an Odoo partner. If you need any Odoo support, please contact us. The solution provided here is a customized solution for Saudi Arabia. In this video we are going to deal with the reconciliation process and reconciliation models in Odoo 15. Reconciliation is the process of matching an organization's bank records with account statements created. It is always a difficult task to match the bank records with account statements, and it may result in several errors while analyzing manually. The Odoo 15 has made the reconciliation process much easier to perform. Let us first look at the bank section in the accounting dashboard. Here we have two options to create and import the bank account statements. Apart from this, we can also configure the bank account statement from here. Click on Online Synchronization button. Here we can see the banks in the country selected, or we can search for the banks worldwide. Click on the bank to connect with them and synchronize the bank statements with Odoo. For the reconciliation process, let's first make an invoice for a customer. Fill the details in the customer section. Provide the invoice date. And add the product in the product section. After that, click on Confirm button. After confirming the invoice, click on the Register Payment button in order to begin the reconciliation process. Provide the name of the bank and click on Create Payment. Now the invoice will be marked in payment. We have to go to the Dashboard Bank Account section to reconcile the payment created. Click on Create to create a new bank account statement. In the window that appears, we have to manually enter the details. Provide a reference number. Under the transactions, add a new line. Provide label as receipt from customer. Select the customer of the invoice under the partner and enter the invoice amount. Also change the ending balance as the same amount in the computed balance given under the tab. Save it and post. Click on the Reconcile tab. The statement we have created is being matched with the invoice amount. Now click on Validate and the reconciliation is done. Apart from this process of reconciliation, we can easily conduct the reconciliation processes with the help of the reconciliation models. Go to the Reconciliation Models in Configuration tab. We can see the models that have already been created here. We can create new models after clicking on the Create button. There is a name field to give the name of the model. Provide name. It also has the Type section to choose the type. There are three types: button to generate counterpart entry, rule to suggest counterpart entry, and rule to match invoices or bills. Select the bank or cash journals under the Journal Availability field. Under the counterpart entries, click on Add a line and add the account for the model created. Give the amount type from the options such as fixed, percentage of balance, percentage of a statement, or from label. Add the amount or percentage. Save the model created. Now let's move to the usage of this model in reconciliation. Create an invoice in the same way as we did earlier. Select the customer. Give invoice date. Add line to add products to the invoice. And confirm the same. Click on Register Payment. Give the bank name and save. Now go to the dashboard and create a bank statement from the Bank tab. Give a reference name or number. Under the transactions, add a new line. Provide label as receipt. Select the customer of the invoice under the partner and enter the invoice amount. Also change the ending balance as the same amount in the computed balance given under the tab. Save it and post. Click on the Reconcile tab. The invoice we have created will be appearing in blue color. Select it. Now, under Manual Operations we can the reconciliation model we have created. Select it. Now the same will appear as per the details we entered in the model. Click on Validate to validate it. This is all about the reconciliation process and creation of reconciliation models in Odoo 15. Thank you.